So I just wanted to quickly show day 2 because it is my favorite day, always. So I did a quick refresh. I have a meeting in the morning and I wanted it to look decent. So I took my water bottle, did a light spritz, took some foam. I used Exmondo Wave Tech, put a little bit in my hands, took it and just pushed it up into the hair. Then I take my diffuser and cup it on that area and sit there and let it dry and then leave it. I don't put my June oil on my hands and scrunch it out or anything because I'm going to leave it just slightly crunchy and I don't do the whole head, just areas that I have like issues with, like these hypo ends. And I don't, like I said, I don't do the whole head. And then I'm just going to wrap it up in my scarf once it's all dry, and just a very slight crunch, not really a crunch, just you can just feel it, texture. And that way when I wake up in the morning and take off my scarf, I'll be good to go. So anyway, this is my day 2 hair, and like I said, I'm going to be gentle because I want to leave it so it'll look decent tomorrow. My day 2 hair. All right. And so a lot of people were asking, so I'm going to go over them real quick. I love foam. I use foam instead of mousse all the time, and I use it atop a gel if I need like good hold that's going to last me. You know, I go about a week without washing, and I have about 4 good down days, maybe 5, usually 4, and the rest of it I just do some cute updo and then wash it like on day 7 or 8. I don't have a problem with oil because it takes too long for all the oil to get down to the bottom, and if I have to worry about it, I just do a little dry shampoo at the roots, but I typically don't have any problem with it. So anyway, my favorite foams. Exmondo Wave Tech is excellent, and it works really well with the Lush Gel. They all work well with the Lush Gel, but Wave Tech works really well with it. It's a little pricey, but it's really good. Kinky Curly Not Today makes a foam. It's excellent. Moroccan Oil Curl Control Mousse is actually a foam. It is definitely in my top 5. Actually, I only have like top 4. So Moroccan Oil, Kinky Curly, Wave Tech, and there's one called DEF curling foam, I think it is. I can't remember who makes it because it's actually in my truck. I take it on the road with me, and it is also wonderful, and it is very similar to the Kinky Curly. The only thing I don't love about the Kinky Curly is that I don't like the smell. Everything else though, it's perfection in a bottle. So I prefer foam because it is not sticky like mousse, and it has a texture similar to soap suds, and it makes your hair damp. It just is really well. So if you haven't tried a foam, try a foam. It works for refresh. It works really great on wash day, like especially if you want extra hold, you want to throw it in on top of a gel. I use pretty much Moroccan Oil gel, Stronghold gel, and Lush gel are my favorite 2 gels. I do occasionally use Kinky Curly and Eco Slay's Jello Shot. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to do a quick rundown because I had several people ask. Can't think of anything else. Day 2, going in a scarf so I can go to bed.